Oh my gosh, guys, super powers talaga. Good morning, good morning. I just passed by in the presidential of the Palace of Patsariwan. Ang ganda ng building, so amazing. Then pinayagan ako ng mga guard na mag-take akong picture dun. It's okay lang. And guys, grabe, nagwapo pala ng mga security guard. Ang tatangkad pa, grabe. And nagtanong ako sa kanila yung way at tinulungan nila ako. Ang bait talaga. And ang galing, wah. Talaga, aini Taiwan. Ayan, natawa tayo. Grabe. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Amazing place. Grabe. Always man. And walk. It's okay. I'm so happy to be here talaga. Wakatan, tired.